Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz, and today's video is a video that I am very excited to make. It's one that I've basically been waiting like a year to make, almost a year, pretty much since I got this car. But today's video is going to be driving this thing for the first time. So, as you guys saw in the last video, I did the EKP. I put some of, I didn't actually show this, but I put some of the interior back in. So sorry, I just took a toke. Because I'm in Canada. And weed's legal here. Whew, sorry. And I swapped out the coil packs last video. And I did some other stuff. You guys can check back to that video for what I did. I've done a lot to this car. I've cleaned out the fuse box because this car was full of like that much water when I got it, all on the floor. That's why there's no carpet, because it was just disgusting. I still have to take some of that out. But last night I got off work at like 7 and I spent a good 3 hours putting those bad boys in. Found some OEM cats and O2 sensors, and I spent a good bit last night putting those in, taking out the ones that were cut by the crackheads that stole the cats out of this car. And then I had to figure out which of these plugs were for bank 1 and bank 2. This one for you guys is bank 2, the shorter one. This one's bank 1. And then under the car, you can't really mix up the plugs because you physically can't plug them in. So for that, yeah, you literally cannot mix them up. So that's pretty self-explanatory. The gray one also is bank 2. The black one is bank 1 for this side of things. But yeah, I spent a long time last night trying to get those in, specifically because I don't know where I put it. Pretty sure I just threw it on the ground because it had a bent stud in there. So I had to take one of the studs from my other N52 and basically put it in there. And now the cats are on and it's time to start it up and drive it. But taking the stud out took the majority of time. This is not the stud I took out, this is a new one. So yeah. That is where we're at with this. Now I'm basically going to go clear all the codes that it had, which I will show you guys in a second. If you don't already, I would highly suggest investing in something called Pro Tool. Where did I put it? Here. Basically any non-Apple product can use this. Oh, actually, hold on. I should probably lower the car off the jack because it's on grass. And I don't want to sit on it, just sit in it while it's on grass. So I'm just going to put you guys down right here. Oh, unless I can't get a good spot. I don't know if you guys can see me, but lower the jack here. Yes, it's on brakes. I'm not trying to crush myself under a car that I'm almost done building. Oh, actually I wanted to show you guys though, for the reason I left it on the jacks was because I wanted to show you guys underneath. So that's kind of how the cats sit there. And the O2 sensors plug in right there, just above this splash guard, right in front of the transmission basically, well, the transpan. So yeah, that is what I left that up. I just remembered. So now I will continue lowering it. The brakes are making noise. I'm probably gonna have to replace the brakes on this because they're extremely rusty. Like extremely rusty. I'm actually definitely gonna have to replace the brakes because I'm pretty sure those are not going to go smooth again. Just from driving. Am I missing lug nuts? I am. Man, that's one thing I did not notice when I got this car. I am just noticing that there's Well, it might only be one, but yeah, it looks like it's only one. God, summer is definitely here. All my allergies have come. Alright, now it's time to clear the codes. Feels weird sitting in the driver's seat. Oh yeah, I also got the driver door opening. I don't know if you guys remember, but that was not working. But it is now. I just closed the door and went, oh shit. Does it open from the inside? But it does. So let's put, fuck. Okay, you know what? Let's just take all these keys off of here. That's better. I apologize, this tablet is extremely slow because it was only like $100 new. Go into Wi-Fi, find the adapter, wherever it is. It takes forever because this tablet sucks. MHD is the adapter that I use. If you guys don't know, you can get like tunes from MHD for the boosted vehicles like M54s and stuff. N54, sorry. Gen 3, I was doing an F-series at work. Gen 2, connect. And I should have, I'm trying to get this so you guys can see it. So there's all the, I actually don't have many engine codes. Most of them are oxygen and a Vanos code, but that could have been because of the EKP bypass or a fuel level sensor. I wonder if I didn't plug that in when I was doing the fuel pump. So we're just going to clear all these and see which ones come back. Okay, so none are going to come back right this second. Alright, I'm going to go clear my tools off the front of the engine, and then it's time to start. I'm really nervous to drive this, honestly. What happens when I take the e-brake off? Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous to start it. Or to drive it, rather. I've started it a million times, but I'm nervous to drive it. I don't know why. It can only really be better with the exhaust on. Like, it physically cannot be worse. Oh, I'm just scared. I've put so much time into this. I just don't want there to be like, well, I'm not going to say it until I start it and drive it. But I'll be back in a second. Alright, here goes nothing. Are shaking. I just want it to work out. Sounds a little knocky. Oh. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Holy crap, dude. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe we're driving it. Yes, it's not even sputtering. Oh my god. This car is gonna be a survivor. I gotta change the oil again, but oh my goodness. Signals work? Oh, no way.
Hey, it's Alexander Stewart. New to the Zen playlist.
I can't tell if that sounds knocky or... Wow, we did it, dude. I did it. There's no we, I did this. I can't believe I did this on my own. Alright, well you guys just saw it. I drove it down here and I drove it up the block and around a little bit, and then it kind of bucked and sputtered, and then I got an engine light flashing, which means misfire. So I just scanned it, and check this out. I was wrong about these two plugs. The short one goes to bank 1. The longer plug on this side goes to bank 2. Because the codes that I got, this is why I love Pro Tool. Like, Pro Tool is so good. Because look at this, it literally says oxygen sensors before catalytic converter swapped, and then for that bank I have 5, 6, and 4 misfire, which totally makes sense because they're swapped. It's not reading the proper voltages for that cylinder, for those cylinders. So if you guys are going to work on BMWs, you need to have Pro Tool. It is a must-have. Or the other one, BMW ISTA, I think, ISTA. But yeah, I'm going to insert a couple more videos of me driving this car, just so you guys can see and enjoy, to get the pleasure that I did. Not quite the same level, but maybe it'll give you guys motivation to get your cars running, because I feel on top of the world right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and my next video on this car will be putting on new wheels and tires and doing the rest of the exhaust, because, well, the rest of the exhaust is obvious. It's cut halfway down, and the tires are very badly worn on the insides, and the wheels have seen better days. But as far as suspension goes, it's solid. It's a little bit soft, but I'll take that. I'll take it. My X5 is definitely needing some work, so we're going to do that soon. And then, yeah, I'm going to daily this thing while the X5 is down. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say right now. Beamer-Fonz out. The tickiness has gone away.